Hello and welcome to another episode here at Premium Bespoke Autoworks and another entry in our G80 BMW M3 shop car series. Today we're going to be fitting a carbon fibre kit on the G80 M3. So this kit consists of PB front end, PB rear end and PB side skirts. I'm going to be doing the complete transformation here today, starting at the back end. So carbon fibre boot lip spoiler along with diffuser, side skirts and a lot going on at the front, which means I've got to take the bumper off. And I'll be talking through the process as I'm working my way around the car to put the kit on. Cannot wait for the final results. With all that being said, I'm going to get started. So being as though I've got the G80 in the air, I'm going to start with the lower section. So part of the lower rear end kit consists of carbon fibre rear bumper trims on the right hand side and left, as well as a replacement carbon fibre diffuser. So you may be thinking, why are we replacing this? Because it's already got carbon from factory. We want to make it a complete PB kit. So in order to do that, we're going to have to replace this. Once I've done this lower section, I'm then going to go up and do the boot lid spoiler. But first I'm going to start by removing these plastic clips on the bottom here and on the bottom there, so I can take the bumper trims off and change over the lower section. So as you can see, the factory parts are off the vehicle. It's quite interesting because there's quite a few interesting shaped cutouts at various points along the rear of the bumper, but obviously they're there for a reason. So anyway, I'm going to give this a clean up, give it a wipe down so it's nice and fresh for the new parts to go on. Once I've done that, I'm going to put on the PB parts. So the lower end portion is complete, and to complete the rear end now, I'm going to be changing the factory carbon fibre spoiler. So as you can see, it's quite nice from factory to be fair, but we want to go with something that's a bit more extreme. So I'm going to be changing it for this ductile lip, PB ductile lip. I'm going to remove the factory spoiler, install this one, and that's going to be the rear end complete. Right, so the back end kit is on the car. The next step in the dance would be to do the side skirts, but as you can see, because we're using a scissor lift, can't physically get underneath to the plastic connections to remove those to get the skirt off. So I'm going to start with the front of the car. It's off the ground, so it's going to be easier to do as well. So with the front kit, that consists of a front splitter. We've gone for a new front grille, as well as canards as well, and carbon fibre front ducts. The car already has carbon fibre front ducts, but as I said before, we're going to fit our own parts of the car, see what the fitment's like, which is going to be A1, and then go from there. So with all that said, I'm going to get started with removing the front bumper, getting on the panel stand, and then working my way through those carbon parts. Okay, so we're almost there with the kit. Back portion is on, front portion is on. The last remaining bit is the side skirt. So what we've done, we've lowered the lifter down, we've put the car on axle stands. I'm going to start by removing the plastic retaining clips that are positioned underneath the skirt, pulling it away, fitting the new side skirts, and that is the carbon kit complete. So with all that said, I'm going to get started on this side, fast forward to the other side, and then the kit is going to be complete. Right guys, so we've changed location just so we can do a proper walk around of the kit, get it in a little bit of a different environment. I'm going to take you through the changes that we've made to the car starting at the front. So with the front of the car, as you can see, it's a total overhaul. We've gone with a carbon fibre front grille, which has got more gaps in it. We've gone away with the black plastic OEM grille, got rid of that. We've also fitted a front splitter in a 3-piece configuration to the bottom of the vehicle. Our car already had carbon fibre inlet ducts, but we've changed out the OEM carbons for ours. And then we finished it off with the M Performance style canards on the left and right side of the car. So all of these parts are available individually, but this actually makes up our front end kit. So you can buy the whole lot as a kit and transform the whole front of your car. Or if you just wanted the front lip or the grille or the canards or the ducts, you can buy those separately too. So moving down the outside of the vehicle, you can see that we've added the M Performance style side skirt with the fin that goes on the back, which links to the rear bumper trim as well. It's a really nice addition. From factory they come with just a gloss black skirt, which is okay. It's pretty cool with the styling, but again, because we're putting a lot of carbon on the vehicle, we wanted to go with these style side skirts, which make it really cool. These are available separately, they're not part of the front end kit. So finally, working our way around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the ductile spoiler, carbon fibre. It's a lot more pronounced than the OEM spoiler. We've also got the carbon fibre rear bumper trims on the left and the right. So in terms of aero capacity, the idea is that the aero comes off through the side skirt, round to the side of the bumper and out the back of the vehicle, just cleans up the airflow. And we've also got the carbon fibre rear diffuser. So we did have the carbon fibre pack from factory, which came with the diffuser in carbon, but we've changed it to our style, a little bit more aggressive, more structured, straight down in slats instead of the curves round. And this completes the rear end. So as before with the front, all of these parts are available separately, so you can get the ductile spoiler, all the bumper trims, or the diffuser, but this is our rear end kit. So you can get all of these parts in one kit. Because we've got the ultimate pack on the vehicle, we've gone one step further as well, and we've created our own ultimate kit. So that consists of the front end kit, the side skirts, and the rear end kit, all in one package. It's for those guys that want to do a complete overhaul and don't want to buy bits and pieces. We thought it was fitting. It's the ultimate pack, so it's got every option. So why not provide a carbon fibre option with every part you can pretty much get? So that completes the installation video. I hope you got great value from it, seeing how some of the installation's done and seeing the before and seeing the after. There's a lot more to come on this car, more on the rear end, more on the wheels, which are coming very soon, and more on the front. One thing I will mention before I end the video is the front grille on the front is available with mesh. The gaps are quite sizable, so the last thing you want to do is to get a real big stone or something like that fly through and damage anything on the inside of the vehicle. So mesh is available separately. You can buy it with or without. It depends on what kind of look you're going for. It depends on what kind of driving that you're doing too. So with all that said, this is our G80 shop car in carbon fibre, front, side and rear for now. Stay tuned for more modifications. Any parts that I've spoken about in this video are available online. You can see them up on our website. The carbon fibre ultimate kit is available from $4,499 including fitting, so it provides great value, especially compared to the M Performance kit. And as I mentioned, all the other parts are available separately. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next G80 Shop Car Series video.